I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening settings so you can stop the screen reader quickly. Press Win+I to launch settings, then click Accessibility on the left. This takes you to all assistive features. Once there, find Narrator listed under Vision and select it to view controls. You do this because Narrator is the built-in screen reader, and that page exposes both the toggle and shortcut options. Make sure to stay on this screen before turning anything off so you can confirm the change. Now turn Narrator off using the on-screen toggle. This stops the voice immediately. Once done, uncheck the box labeled Start Narrator after sign-in so it won't relaunch at login. Next, verify or disable the Win+Control+Enter shortcut under Keyboard Shortcuts to prevent accidental reactivation. You do these steps because toggles and startup settings are separate. Disabling only one may not fully stop it. After adjusting, close settings, but wait a moment to confirm speech has stopped. To complete the process, sign out and back in or restart your PC to ensure changes stick. If Narrator still speaks, open Task Manager, find Narrator. EXE or Narrator process and end it manually. This forces shutdown of the service. If that fails, return to Accessibility and check Ease of Access or Speech settings for other assistive tools that might be enabled. One key troubleshooting tip: if you reused a keyboard shortcut, make sure nothing else rebinds Win+Control+Enter before testing again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.